So in this video, we will be learning threat hunting cycles. Threat hunting cycles are classified into four parts: creating of hypothesis, investigate tools and technique, uncover new pattern and TTPs, and inform, enrich and analytics. So let's cover one by one. Creating of hypothesis. Creating hypothesis is starting point of a threat hunting. The reference hypothesis can be created via data observation, so it can be an application log, proxy log, or network log. Investigation via tools and technique. Hypotheses are examined via multiple tools and technique in identifying the relation between the different dataset. An analyst can be used this to discover new malicious pattern of that data and reconstruct the complex attack pattern and reveal the attack tactics and technique. In short, finding a right tool is important for investigation. Uncovering new patterns and TTPs. Most of time, threat hunting is a manual methodology for a hunting process, which help them to find new techniques and automate them. Most of the time, it's not easy to find a new TTPs of APT group. So with the help of MITRE framework, it's easy to identify the TTPs of a malicious attacker. Inform, enrich and analytics. During hunting process, if you find something malicious, try to use an intel feed that will give you more enriched data for your particular IOCs. There are many other open source intel provider as well. We will be covering that in later videos.